Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes guys, and we at it again. Please remember to leave your girl a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. Now guys, I went to Sears and I found these salmon head. Anybody know about salmon head? Anyhow, I cut them up and clean them off. Alright, and we're gonna curry it. I saw my mom curry fish head. You know, the little like parrot or snapper fish head, or I don't know what they call, but at Jamaica, you know, fish head, my mom used to curry them a lot and with white rice. Oh my goodness. Or you can make fish tea. All right, so I'm gonna curry these. All right, so let's get into this video. All right, we're gonna season it up well. All right, let's put these over here first. I have half an onion. I'm gonna put that in. Put this up close. I have some green onion or scallion. Put that, some of that. This is some garlic paste. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. Ginger paste, another teaspoon. My blended seasoning, and I'm gonna put about 2 teaspoons. I have to make some more, guys. This one almost finished. This is fish seasoning, and I'm gonna use my hand and I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons, something like that. This is some extra onion powder, although I put onion, a little bit of onion powder in there, about a teaspoon. My husband loves pimento, so I'm gonna put some pimento greens. Guys, if I don't put it, he's gonna come and hide and put it, so let's put it now. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, and because it's curry, I'm gonna go in with some masala. All right, some garam masala, or G masala they call it for short. And I'm gonna add like a teaspoon. It smells so good. I'm gonna go in with some black pepper, like half to a teaspoon. And this is my turmeric. All right, and I'm gonna put like half teaspoon. Maybe this looks like a teaspoon, guys. Ooh, so half to a teaspoon. Make me want to sneeze. And the final thing for now, I'm gonna add like a teaspoon of curry, and then what I'm gonna do, I put another teaspoon, 2 teaspoons, and then maybe I burn another teaspoon or 2 in the oil when I'm ready for it. All right, and that's it. That's what I'm gonna put in it. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm just gonna put on a glove, and I'm gonna like mix everything together. Okay. Gentle with it, you don't want the bone juke you. You see, guys, amount of flesh that on, you see. And I'm gonna cook it down with some white rice, all right, or some pumpkin rice. I don't know which I'm gonna do yet. So just go ahead and, you know, mix up everything together. All right, guys, so this is how it's looking. You see it? Well seasoned. I'm gonna leave it for a few hours. Now it's like after 9, almost 10, and I'm gonna come back in the evening, maybe about 4 or 5 o'clock. I'm gonna cook a little bit of rice. Lots of flesh in it too, guys. Woo. If you know Jamaican people, You know, so they love scotch bonnet pepper. And this a fish, you need a little bit of pepper in it. So I cut up some, and I'm gonna put that in it. Don't have to stir it up too much. Later, you will fry up in the oil nicely. You can put more or less. All right, put to your liking. Okay, and that's it. I'll be back. All right, my peeps, I'm back, and I'm gonna put some olive oil. One, maybe about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna put like another teaspoon or 2 here to burn in the oil. All right, once it burns, we don't want it to like burn. So here goes. We're gonna dump everything in. Put all the goodness. And we're gonna like fry up this a little bit. And then guys, what I'm gonna use a cock soup, all right? And just make the gravy. Remember I fished this, all right guys, so it easily cook up, okay? You don't want it to break apart. I'm gonna come back and turn it a little bit, and then I'm gonna add some veggie broth and some cock soup, and that's it. We cover it up for a few minutes. Woo. I'm gonna see if we can turn up a little bit. I need to break. Whoops, guys, you see? Let's not turn it up anymore. Leave them be nice. Alright guys, I'm not going to turn it anymore because I don't want them to mash out. So over here, I'm going to put like half pack of cock soup. And I have some veggie broth. I'm going to put like a cup and a little bit. Just to make the gravy. I also have a little bit of coconut milk, the pack one. I'm going to put a little bit. You can call this fish head rundown or curry fish head, anyhow you want to call it. Alright, you come over here. I'm going to pour it in. I don't want to put too much liquid guys because it's easily cooked. So we're going to let this simmer down, say for maybe 10-15 minutes, and it should be all good. Alright, done. Alright guys, I'm going to put 2 Maggi cube. Them tough, so I'm going to beat them out. Crush them out. Basically, I crush them out guys. Alright guys, we just have to put the Maggi cube in there because we crush it out. Kind of press it out. Alright my peeps, I'm back and this is it. Can make it dry down more if you want, but right now I'm not make it much out. I turn off the stove. See, after 15 minutes everything should be cooked, the guys, and by the time it's stir up, so 15-20 minutes it's all good. I'm just gonna let it stay on the fire. Go and simmer down another minute, but the stove is off, alright guys? And then I'm gonna cook the rice. Alright my peeps, I'm cooking some seasoned rice. Well, pumpkin rice so to speak. Alright. And you can put mixed vegetable in it. You can put whatever, but all I did, I just put some salt, olive oil, scallion, pumpkin. You can put some onion too, and I'm just gonna cook this down. You can add half a cock soup if you want to make it special. All right, I'm gonna let this steam, and then I'm gonna come back. All right, my peeps, so this is the pumpkin rice, and I'm gonna serve it up. I'm also cooking a few fingers of bananas. So this is it. This is how it's looking. And I'm cooking some banana over there. Whoa, look at this goodness, guys. Okay. Fish head. And my husband made some potato salad. I have some tossed salad. All right, and banana. And I'm just gonna share some, and then I'm gonna show you the final result. All right, guys, I want to show you this goodness here. We don't want to break up too much. I mean, I appreciate this, you know, but it's fleshy.
You then take out the head piece?
No, yeah, but me cut up it like them big, right? So we cut up it. See? I'm gonna make it dry out more this time, so I'm make it dry out. We want gravy for it. Alright guys, get some gravy. Some salad. I'm just gonna pick up a little bit. And I think I'm gonna put it over here. On the side here, guys. Alright, my peeps, and this is it. My pumpkin rice, my tossed salad, some potato salad, green banana, and my curry, or you can say fish head cooked down in rundown, anyhow you want to call it, or curry fish head. All right guys, this is it. Love upon me and I love upon you. Yes, bye guys.